Maintaining a tidy kitchen over time can be a manageable task with the right habits and routines. Begin by establishing a daily cleaning routine. After every meal, spend a few minutes cleaning countertops, washing dishes, and putting away any ingredients or utensils you used. This prevents mess from piling up and keeps your space clean and organized. Incorporate a weekly deep cleaning session into your schedule. Devote one day a week to scrubbing appliances, cleaning out the refrigerator, and wiping down cabinet surfaces. This regular maintenance will ensure that no areas of your kitchen become neglected and dirty over time. Use organizational tools to keep your kitchen clutter-free. Drawer dividers, shelf organizers, and labeled containers can make it easier to find what you need and put items back in their proper places. These tools also maximize storage space and help you keep track of your inventory. Declutter your kitchen periodically. Go through your cabinets and drawers every few months and get rid of items you no longer use or need. Donate duplicates or items in good condition to avoid waste. A decluttered kitchen is easier to maintain and more enjoyable to use. Set up designated areas for different types of kitchen items. Keep cooking utensils close to the stove, store cleaning supplies under the sink, and organize food items in a pantry. This arrangement minimizes the time you spend searching for things and makes it easier to keep everything in order. Develop a habit of wiping down surfaces and cleaning spills immediately. This simple act can prevent stains and build-up, making your kitchen cleaning routine easier. Encourage other family members to do the same to ensure that everyone contributes to maintaining a tidy space. Finally, make cleaning a family affair. Assign tasks to different family members, rotating chores to ensure everyone participates. This not only shares the workload, but also instills good habits in younger members. By implementing these tips and developing a consistent routine, you can maintain a tidy kitchen that's functional, organized, and a pleasure to cook in every day.